Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate shake right at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of cold milk, 2 generous cups of your favorite chocolate ice cream, and 2 tablespoons of rich chocolate syrup. These are the core components for a truly satisfying treat. Get ready to blend up some magic. Now, let's get blending. Carefully pour 1.5 cups of cold milk into your blender. Next, add 2 big scoops, which is about 2 cups, of creamy chocolate ice cream. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of that delicious chocolate syrup for extra flavor. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds until everything is perfectly smooth and thick. Want to make your shake even more special? This is where you can get creative. After blending, pour your shake into a tall glass. Then, add a generous swirl of whipped cream on top for that classic look. You can also sprinkle some chocolate shavings, mini chocolate chips, or colorful sprinkles. A cherry on top always adds a delightful touch. Make it uniquely yours. Your amazing homemade chocolate shake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy shake into a chilled glass. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still wonderfully cold and perfectly blended. Grab a straw and savor every single sip of this delightful treat. It's a simple pleasure that's perfect for any time you crave something sweet and refreshing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.